So, AI has to learn all that? That's so hard.
You're right. AI isn't born smart. Before it can learn, its data has to be organized and labeled by people. There's a whole group of amazing workers called data labelers. They're like AI's teachers, showing it the world, one step at a time. They look at pictures and add labels. This is a fox. This is a tiger. This is a squirrel. Sometimes they draw boxes to show where the tiger is in the photo. In voice data, they listen and type out what was said, marking who's talking and whether they sound happy or angry. It may sound simple, but it's super important. Without their work, AI couldn't learn this fast. Behind every AI are countless humans helping it grow. There are many companies around the world that do this, and one of them is called Scale AI. It was founded by a young Chinese-American entrepreneur named Alexander Wang. Back in college, he realized most AI companies didn't have clean, well-labeled data. So he started Scale AI to help projects everywhere, from self-driving cars to medical scans, get the high-quality data they need to see the world clearly. You can think of data labelers as AI's teaching team. They grade its homework, fix mistakes, and keep its knowledge tidy. Once the data is clean and labeled, it gets stored safely in a database.
So, where do all those labeled files go?
Good question. They need a huge place to be stored and processed called a data center. Think of a database like a massive library. Every piece of data has its own book number and shelf spot, so AI can borrow the right one anytime. Images are saved as files, audio turns into digital waves, and text is encoded so AI can read it. But these databases aren't just on one computer, they live on thousands of servers all working together inside data centers. Data centers are like AI's brain factories. Rows of supercomputers working day and night, storing data, running programs, and training models. All that work creates a lot of heat, so they need strong cooling systems. Some are built in cold places like Northern Europe, where the natural air keeps them cool. Sometimes, training a huge AI model can use as much electricity as thousands of homes in a day. That's why scientists are working on green computing to make AI smarter and kinder to our planet. But remember, kids, the more powerful data is, the more responsibility we have. We must keep data accurate, fair, and private. Wrong data can teach AI the wrong things. Unfair data can make AI biased. And leaked data can hurt people. So the real question isn't, how much data do we have? It's how do we use it wisely? The next time you see a robot that can talk or a car that drives itself, remember behind it are millions of people who organized, labeled, and stored all that data, and thousands of computers working quietly through the night. AI isn't magic, it's the result of human creativity and data working hand in hand.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Come back for our next episode about generative AI.